Hey guys, Malik here again, and welcome back to some more Need for Speed Most Wanted 2012. And I think we remember the last video where I introduced my cars and other stuff. So I think we ended the episode with, I think it was this one, the 01. Yeah, and then I think. And then the after 01 came with Ford. And then I need to showcase the Raptor. Which I really don't like the Raptor because I don't like the fact that it's a pickup truck. Yeah, I don't like pickup trucks, okay, I admit it. But I think that they are just very fun to drive. And guys, just hold on for a second, okay? Driving by itself. Wait. Hey. Okay, very good. I didn't put the cord of my steering wheel to the socket. Yes, socket. So guys, here's the Ford Raptor. Woo! Okay, this thing has very thick tires. I'm like, surprised that can it reach 100 miles per hour? And I don't want to waste the time. Let's do it in another video. I'm pretty sure that when we like cruise around the off-road parts, I'll be using this. This is what I'm making. That's a sure thing. So we'll spawn over here in downtown, which is so close already. Guys, I hope that you can hear me well. Okay. Okay. Here's the Ford Focus RS 500. So this car, I think you'll be very familiar with the RS. And then here in the Philippines, we have the STs. But this car is named RS 500, and I don't know why. So if you guys know why is it named the RS 500, please put it in the comment section down below. And this car is also front-wheel drive. See, dope. Front-wheel drive car, and then the weirdest thing that's about this game, that you can drift front-wheel drive car super easy. See, look at that. Awesome entry there. So moving on to the next car, which is the Ford GT. Set destination. Oh wait, what? Okay, wait. So the next car is the Ford GT. The Ford GT is a very awesome car. If we take a look at its back, it's like, people will be like, what kind of supercar is that? And when you take a look at its front, it's like, oh, that's awesome. At least in my opinion. Okay, so this is the Ford GT. I think you guys may know about the new 2017 or 2017 Ford GT. It almost looks nothing to compare to this. But this Ford GT is an awesome car. Okay, so moving on. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Okay, moving on. The last of the Fords. Dang it! Why do I keep putting set destination? Okay, the Ford Mustang Boss 302. Please tell me it's gonna spawn in the downtown. Yeah. So this car, it's actually a little bit slower than the GT 500, and I'm into 92. Okay, so moving on, this car is a boss, as it comes from the name. See, look at the front, it's so different from the others, but the back is like a normal Mustang. So, I don't know, why is the front so different? Okay, why did I go to Ford? Okay, next car is the Jaguar XKR. Did I already do this car? I don't know. Okay. So this is a Jaguar XKR. This car is kind of heavy. Yes, this XKR is kind of heavy. It has 500 horsepower. Or maybe over 500 horsepower. But it's heavy. Bottom line, it's heavy. It's like, how many pounds is this? I don't know. But long story short, it's heavy. The Jaguar XKR. Driving backwards, change car. Ah, my gosh. No, not the Jaguar. The Lamborghinis. Okay, so this is the Lamborghini collection. And the first one will be the Aventador. Come on. Okay, it's the Aventador. So in my theory, or the things that I realized, that every most wanted car, when you spawn in them, they're all in white colors. But like for example, when you go to a gas station, they change colors, right? But when you leave them and then you come back, it's still in white. Like for example, okay. Okay, it only happens like sometimes, and whoa! What the heck? Okay, moving on. Oh wait, I also found a cool thing. Wait. Is it here? Oh my gosh. Okay, I can't find it. But on the other thing, I spotted a... Okay. Oh wait, we're not done with the Lamborghinis. I spotted the Met. You know, the Met Museum. Okay. So wait, how many minutes are we in the recording? Oh. Yeah, we're like in 8 minutes. Okay. 8-ish minutes. Okay. So this is the Lamborghini Countach. It's kind of an awesome car. It sounds amazing. It's like, I think it was a race car back then. Look. The sound. Oh yeah, here we go. And I crashed. Okay. I crashed the Countach, yes. Okay, so next car. This is one of my first Lamborghinis that I saw. And it is... You know what it is already. And the first Lamborghini that I ever knew in my life is the Lamborghini Gallardo, or the Gallardo. And why did I spawn off-road? Okay. So this car is amazing. It's very fast. One of my most upgraded cars here. Okay, cut. Okay. So moving on. Next car is the Lancia Delta HF Integral or Integrale. I don't care. So this Lancia I've never even driven properly or never even competed it in a proper race. But still, it's a car in this game. And this Lancia is very famous for off-road. And wait, is this all-wheel drive? Wait, guys, can you please tell me in the comment section below if the Lancia Delta is all-wheel drive? Yeah, okay. All all-wheel drive cars do burn out in this game at their rear tires. But when you make a drift or a donut, they'll do like all 4 tires. See, like that. Wait, is that an alarm? You guys hear that, right? Okay, so moving on. It's just so funny when I'm like, huh? And then moving on. Oh my gosh! What the heck? What did I do wrong, officer? Okay, so we're back here again. Okay. We need to change car. Change our car to the Land Rover Evoque. So, actually, my uncle owns one of these cars. And I was like, no way, that's freaking awesome. And then it's very good in off-road. It's awesome. See, wait, the color of my uncle's is orange. Very powerful. I'm the Hulk. Okay, move. I need to change the color. Okay, excuse me. Okay, it's white. Okay, so whatever. Moving on. The Lexus LSA. This is the most wanted car. No, not the. It's a most wanted car. And it still spawns in white. So this car is actually one of my favorite cars in this game. Because, first of all, the sound. And if you get enough speed, wait, where is it? And there it is, the active barrel spoiler. Woo! Oh, okay, whoa, okay, ow, 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 ow. Okay, that active barrel spoiler is kinda awesome. It is actually in like wait, what? It's called the Marusha B2 spawns in the Bacon Plaza. Why is it called Bacon Plaza? It is Bacon Plaza. So this is the Bacon Plaza. Wow. Okay, this Marusha is very light. Super light. Super duper duper light. And I don't want to get caught by the cops. Okay, wait, why did I? Oh, Daryll. Okay, easy drive, change car. And by the way, the active arrows are in also some fast cars. They are in the Aventador, the Bugatti Veyron, the SL65 AMG. And what else? What kind of cars? I don't know. Etc. Or etc. Okay, this car is the Maserati GT. Okay, the Maserati Gran Turismo MC Stradale. Their GT stands for Gran Turismo. Okay. Wow. Woo. Ow. Go up. Okay, woo. Change car. Okay, I have no facts about this, but I know that the original Maserati, has like 400 and so horsepower, while this MC Stradale, which I don't even know how much horsepower does this thing have. And that's it. And here is the McLaren MP4 12C. See, this thing's a pro. Yeah, I just let it be. Okay, still a most wanted car. It's an awesome car. Very awesome car. Okay, next is the Mercedes Benz. And okay, so guys, this will conclude the episode again. So sorry guys, that is, we've only featured a few cars, but I think after another episode or 2 episodes we'll be finished with this list. And guys, see you later. Bye. Okay. Bye.